Hello, and welcome to another episode of Tutorial Time with He-Man. Today, we will be going over the setup process for your wallet system in our contract minting bot. Hey guys, today I will be going over the settings for wallets in our contract minting bot. So we just finished setting up all of the Etherscan API key. You're going to go up here to the menu and go down to wallets. So there's two methods of adding wallets to our minting bot. First one is import wallet, which is this blue link right here. Click that. And here, all you have to do is name whatever you want for your wallet. Then you can choose to either import it by private key or seed phrase. Both of those you can get from your MetaMask. Hopefully you guys understand how to do that. So you type those in here and you just press import right here, and it will magically show up in your wallets. Don't be concerned if it doesn't right away show that you have a balance here. Sometimes that takes a few minutes for it to upload and update on Etherscan. But a simple way to see right away to verify what you have in there is just by clicking on the logo right here, which takes you to Etherscan so you can see and verify. So here we see we have 0.03 ETH in there and the ETH value. Alright, so the next method is by creating what we call burner wallets. And these burner wallets don't get burned up, they don't disappear. It's just a figure of speech that people use, basically saying that these are wallets that are easy to create, that if one gets compromised for whatever reason, you can just delete it, just get rid of it. And for that, you go here to plus, which is create new wallet. You name whatever you want. And the total wallets, however many you want to create. So we don't charge extra for a certain amount of burner wallets. You can have unlimited. You can create however many you want. You can create 100 if you wanted to. Just know that whatever number you put in here, it does take up more and more resources from your computer depending on the amount that you make. So if you put in 100, it'll probably take like a good minute for those to all be created. So I'm just going to create 5 and generate. So you see, after I did that, this right here popped up. And what this is, whenever you create any wallet, there is a text file that gets created that is stored on your local computer only. And in that text file is the wallet address, the private key, and the seed phrase for each of those wallets that you created. So you don't have to worry about accidentally deleting anything or losing it. It's right here. Also, as a side note, if for whatever reason you delete that text file and you think, oh no, I'm screwed, I can't get that information, we also have that right here on the actual wallet. So you can hover over private key right here, click that, and it will, as it shows, copy private key to clipboard. So you can paste that information in another text file and save it if you accidentally deleted that. And here's the wallet address as well. So after this, you created whatever burner wallets that you want. probably want to add ETH, which I will talk about in the next tutorial.